Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to create amazing YouTube video scripts. ChatGPT is an advanced AI language model developed by OpenAI that can generate human-like text based on input. This makes it the perfect tool for creating YouTube video scripts with ease. Here's how you can use ChatGPT to create your own video scripts. 1. Access ChatGPT. The first step is to access ChatGPT. You can do this through the OpenAI API or by using a conversational AI platform like Hugging Face or Playground. 2. Input your script idea. Once you're logged in, it's time to input your script idea. This can be as simple or complex as you'd like, but it's important to have a clear goal in mind before you start. Start by describing the overall topic, tone, and structure of the video, and consider what information you want to include. For example, if you're creating a tutorial on how to make a smoothie, you might start by inputting something like, I want to create a tutorial on how to make a delicious and healthy smoothie, including a list of ingredients and step-by-step instructions. 3. Fine-tune the output. ChatGPT will then generate text based on your input, but you may need to fine-tune the output to get it just right. The generated text will serve as a starting point, and you can then adjust it to meet your specific needs and preferences. Here are a few tips for fine-tuning the output. Adjust parameters. Depending on the platform you're using, you may have the option to adjust various parameters to control the output. For example, you may be able to specify the number of words generated, the level of detail, or the tone of the text. Experiment with these parameters to find the perfect balance. Edit the text directly. You can also edit the text directly, either by deleting parts that don't fit or by adding your own ideas and insights. This is a great way to make the script your own and ensure that it accurately reflects your vision. Get creative. Don't be afraid to get creative with the output. For example, you could use the generated text as a starting point for a poem, a script for a skit, or even the lyrics to a song. The possibilities are endless, so let your imagination run wild. 4. Use the script. Once you're happy with the script, you can use it to create your video. Whether you're recording a vlog, a tutorial, or a promotional video, ChatGPT's output will give you a great starting point to work with. Once you fine-tune the output, you should have a well-structured, engaging script that you can use to create your video. Whether you're recording a vlog, a tutorial, or a promotional video, ChatGPT's output will give you a great starting point to work with, saving you time and effort and freeing you up to focus on the creative aspects of video production. And that's it. Using ChatGPT to create YouTube video scripts has never been easier. Give it a try and see how it can help you create engaging, high-quality videos in no time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.